Hi, I'm Frida with WTI, and good morning. I'm going to put my under eye patches back on. These are by Celor. They're the 24 karat gold collagen under eye patches, and my little tip is that I noticed I wasn't using all the goodness up before bed. So I like to whip right before I go to bed. I put them on, and then before I fall asleep, I keep the little package by my side of the bed, and I put them back in because there's still some juice in here, and they kind of rehydrate themselves during the night. They're not quite as thick as they were when I put them on last night. As you can see, they're pretty juicy and plump the night before. But when I wake up in the morning, I put them back on, and I use the last little bit of goodness up while I'm making breakfast and having my coffee. They stay on your face extremely well. Like I don't find them ever falling off. Even when I'm using up the last little bit of goodness like this, they stay on really well. I use that little trick, and I hope it helps you guys extend the life of your under eye patches too. This is a really good brand that came in a 20-pack, and I've made them last for quite a while by doing this. So if you're looking for something to reduce a little bit of that puffiness under your eyes, I recommend these by Celor. That's my point of view.